Alrighty guys, today is the 12th of April, the last Friday of the week. Okay, the last trading day of today, and the market has shown me an opportunity to take a quick sell scalp trade. We've made 10% today so far. Yes sir, we've made 10% today so far. So this might be the last trade of today. Let's see how much profit we can make. If you want to buy the course to learn how I do this, you want to learn how to scalp the market, hedge, swing your trades, go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you want to copy my signals, you can also go to nfxandcrypto.com. Make sure you join the broker that I'm using, Milligan Markets, for tight spreads, so that you can deposit your money and withdraw your money very quickly if you need a very fast deposit or withdrawal for an emergency. And yeah, deposit at least $500. Make sure you have at least $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. If you have something less, you might not be able to copy my trades safely, but make sure you have at least $500 in your account to copy my trades. And yeah, we will be right back when we're into more profits in the market. If you want to join Milligan Markets, its link is in the description below. It looks like we might hit our take profit very fast. Who knows? Let's see how it plays out. We will be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. So the sell trade had to be turned into a buy hedge. So we're gonna hedge this trade out to profit. All right, as you can see, we're very close to hedging out our trade. Very close to hedging out this trade. Very close. Very close. And there you go. Trade fully hedged out. Trade fully hedged out, and we might even have another opportunity to take an additional buy. Trade fully hedged out, and we're able to make some profits. Oh my goodness, more than 10% today. Let's see if we can have another buy opportunity, because my software is showing me a buy opportunity. Like, share, and subscribe.